Hello guys, hope you all are doing very good. So today we're gonna install Feda chair. So let's unbox it first. So guys, we just finished the unboxing of Feda chair. So let's see what we got inside the box. First, we got back of the chair, then seat of the chair. These are the armrest, headrest, mechanism, one base, 5 caster wheels and 1 gas lift. So let's start the installation process. So guys, in first step what we do, we just put the mechanism over the seat of the chair. Guys, we got 4 screws and we have to install the mechanism. So let's show how to do it. So all we have to do, just screw those 4 screws over there. 1 2 3 4. So guys, after putting the screws, we have to tighten it by the help of Allen key, which you will get it under the box. Now let's come to the second part. Now we're gonna install the back of the chair over the seat. So to install the back of the seat, we have 3 screws. We have to fix it here along with the back of the chair. So let's do it. So guys, we completed the second step. So अभी तक हमने सीट पे मैकेनिज्म फिक्स कर दिया है, बैक फिक्स कर दिया है. So let's move to the third step. In third step, we're gonna fix the armrest of the chairs, and to fix the armrest, we again have 3 screws. So let's start doing it. You can see we just fixed the one armrest of the chair. Now let's repeat the same step on the second armrest. We just installed the mechanism, back and the armrest on the seat of the chair. So let's come to the fourth step, which is the easiest step according to me. So this is the base of the chair. All we have to do, just fix the caster wheels on this base. And this is the simplest step. As you can see, now this is the gas lift. All you have to do, just put that gas lift in this particular hole. So let's come to the second last step of the chair. In the second last step, we have to put this particular assembled chair over the gas lift. Come to the last part of the chair, where we have to fix the headrest of the chair. So guys, finally the Feda chair is completely installed. As you can see, let me show you how it operates. As you already know, this chair comes with 5-way adjustable armrest, so it can go up, can rotate, and it can also go inward and outward. By the help of this lever, it can go up, it can go down. By the help of this lever, it can slide, and by the help of this lever, as you know, this chair comes with any point locking. So now it's unlocked, you can lock it here. So guys, thank you so much for watching us. I hope you understand the installation video.